viewers, this is the returning program, and what you are seeing now is we are on a land that has already been prepared, meaning it has been sprayed. After the virgin land, it has been sprayed. After spraying, then they have to weed it. But who do the weeding is we have a caterpillar that we can rent. So very soon we'll talk to the people, the farmers, how did they manage to rent the caterpillar, how did they get the irrigation system. They are saying something about seedling, from seedling to planting, and so we'll be going through and see how all works. But at the moment we are on one stage now that I'm trying to show to you. Is after you have been acquired land, this is another stage that the land needs to be sprayed, and when the land finish being sprayed, then you rent a tractor to come and do the first weeding. So after that, then we go to the next procedure. So right here we are just working at the farm. Look, see how the first preparation goes.
I get some now. If I charge them with you, some minute it will go up. I don't know why.
We'll talk about that.
Okay.
Yes, what you are seeing here is a transplant onions that has been transplanted into this field, meaning over here you can see the field has been prepared, and the bed has been laid, and look at how the bed is being laid. Yes. Abasimo, what is this?
This tomato seed.
Okay, this tomato seed. Yes. Okay, so this is already prepared bed.
Yes, this is the bed.
And this is not the seedling, but this is the transparent. I mean, they have transferred the
onion.
The onions here.
This one is tomato.
Okay.
The one we just broadcast now is tomato.
But I can see something colors. What is that thing?
Yes, it is a chemical that we use to protect the seeds.
Okay.
Other than that, we use, and to pick them.
Yes, so this is what you are seeing. Here, what you are seeing now is the nestling. You can see the farmer have fully nest, and that is the colors that you can see on the floor like this. So, big man, this one, I beg you have to tell me something as a returning presenter. If you put the seed here like this, boss, and you nest it like this, how long does it take to turn something like this? Okay. Okay, and what the other catastrophe say? This is why a bed in a way. What the idea? What the winner guso? What the winner catastrophe? Okay, so my viewers, this is what my friend, one strong farmer, is telling us. Yes, this is what I'm explaining to you. Meaning this is going to be used to cover these beds, as they have already put the seed on the bed. That be the seedling. So from this stage, I think they will have to now move it from here and replant it. That is what we call the transplanting. So this is one of the best business too I think you can invest in Ghana. This is the farming business, and that is what our returning program is bringing to you. So our farmers here are actually strong people. When you come and you want to work, they are here to help you. They can assist you to acquire land, assist you to do the farming. Mr. Farmer, where the Emma Boomfo say Obi pese o wabrochire na odi sika ba na ubuano no ye efuadwuma obetumi aboano okay. Yeah, this is what my farmer is saying. They are here, strong people working, and wherever you are, whether you are Europe, you are America, and you want to invest in farming, and you bring in whatever you want to do, they are here to support you, and they are here to work with you. So here is a transplanting onion, and this is the seeding. They have done the seedling and they have done the transplanting. So our channel is always guiding you into the best. Yes, this is another stage, and as you can see from here meaning this is the second stage after you have acquired the land. The next thing you do is you have to get chemicals. Later we'll let you know the type of chemicals you needed to get the place, the land sprayed. And soon as the land has been sprayed like this, meaning it's ready to clear. And the best way to clear the land is to rent a tractor. So this land you are seeing here, it's already sprayed. That is what you are seeing, a full sprayed land over here. So now the next stage for the farmer is to rent a tractor so that the tractor will come and clear the land. So over there you see a tractor doing his job. Over there you can see a tractor doing some clearance. And I mean these acres of land. And that is how it works. The tractor is doing the clearance. Meaning you clear the whole place, and from there I think the next stage will be the final turning, and the bed will be prepared before the seeding and the transplant. Yes, as I told you, this is how we start, this is how it works. Boss, you are the tractor operator, Mr. Philip. How long have you operating this tractor?
More than
20 years. Wow, this is a strong man, Mr. Philip. Our returning program, I tell you, we always have the best. And look at this strong man. He is the driver of the tractor, and his name is Mr. Philip, and he said he has done this work for 20 good years. Mr. Philip, assuming I have 5 acres, if you clear 1 acre, how much do you collect me clear 1 acre for me? 1.5. Yes, you can see things are totally easy here. This is 1.5, meaning it's just like $20 to $30, and we can clear 1 acre. So that is how it works here, and that is GH, and the land is already fertilized. And yes, that is all what you are seeing. All these are transplanting land. As you can see, human beings are at work. This is a land that's already transplanted. So we are still at the farming at Afienya, where we are showing our viewers how it works with farming in Ghana, Africa as a whole. So here, that is what you are seeing here like this. These are also onions, and from here you can see the bells are prepared and the seed has been laid, and this is how the seed generated. This onion seed. That's how we call them seedling. So from this stage, this is all what you are seeing. Yes, from this stage, then it moved into the transplanting. So where my viewers, I think I will just drop the cuttings for the part 2 of how to choose a land for farming in Ghana. I will draw the curtain down here. briefly because there's a lot that I have to share with you, and I'm taking it from part to part. This is the virgin land I did introduction, and this is the transplanting land. My name is AfricanLife, and I want you to just love our channel, the written channel, share and subscribe. And I tell you, we have the best interview, that's the hottest, the best activities, the best program. Just be with us, and I tell you honestly, you will never regret. Written program, the best channel. And from next week going, we'll be talking to the farmers how the whole processing goes. They will be explaining to us, because next week it will be an interview week where we'll be talking to the farmers. But today we are drawing the curtains to the level we have able to teach you like how to acquire the land, how to spray, how to clear the land, and how to do the first seedling and the transplanting. So later we'll talk to the farmers, and they will tell us how the procedure go, the sort of fertilizer or chemicals needed, how the irrigation system go. There are a lot to cover to you viewers, and we are doing this because of you. So just love our channel, share and subscribe. With any channel, I tell you, we are the best and the hottest on YouTube. Love you and see you all.